Kyle, I can't wait to see my...
Calm down, Shaylee. You're gonna freak her out. By the way, what time does her plane land again?
It said her plane already landed.
Hey Shaylee, I'll meet you in less than 5 minutes.
Oh, look, it's my... She told me that she was going out here real quick.
Yeah, that's cool. How do I look?
Hey, Mai is my friend.
And she's gonna be my friend too. Come on, do I look decent enough?
Okay, fine. You look handsome enough, Mr. Handsome. Hello. Long time no see, Shaylee. Oh my God, Mai, I missed you. Yeah, long time no see. Let me look at you, Mai. It's 2 years since we haven't seen each other already. You look even prettier with long hair.
Oh, thanks. That's very sweet of you.
You must be Kyle, right?
Hi, Kyle. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you got me. So happy to meet you, Mai.
Oh, our car is here. We should head home. I'm feeling like we have a lot to talk about.
Yeah, it'll be a long catch-up for sure.
Indeed. Mr. Handsome, we need you to take good care of Mai's luggage. Can you do it?
Yes, madam, that's my pleasure.
Here it is, thank you.
By the way, Mai, how's your family doing?
They're doing great. My parents are in their happy phase of retirement right now, and my little sister's doing quite excellently with her study.
Oh, that's nice, Mai. How do you feel about the next semester? Your major is marketing and communication, isn't it?
Slow down, young man. Mai's gonna stay with us. You'll have plenty of time for chit-chatting. Give Mai some slack for now. It's fine.
You're such a party pooper, Shaylee.
Am not. Guess who's mad because he can't be impressive enough?
Mean-spirited. Mai, I'm sorry for my sister's bad manners.
No worries. Let's go home, guys.
Home sweet home. Hey guys, I'm home. Mom, Dad, Sally, anyone home? I'm home now. Hey, son. Hi, Dad, I'm back. How are you doing, buddy? I'm doing great. How are your legs? Were they acting up again the last time I called? They were, but I've got the pain under control now. That's great. How about Mom and Sally? Your mom's super fine, and Sally's got into her school spelling bee club. Wow, how can I say? Excellence runs in our blood. Well said, son. Let's sit down on the sofa. Can I give you anything, son? I think a beer will help. Like old times. Like old times. It's been a while since the last time we drank with each other, son. Cheers. To father and son bond. Yeah, I couldn't come back home because of the snowstorm last year. But I'm so glad I can make it home for this Christmas. You college boys had so much fun celebrating the holiday in the dorm, didn't you? Yeah, we did, Dad. I ate too much pizza and junk food that I couldn't stand smelling them now. Lord, son, you are such a fast food kid. But look how much you've changed into a grown-up man now. I don't dare dream of the day you will walk down the aisle and be a great husband. Stop it, Dad. You're making me blush. By the way, I have something to tell you. Go ahead, son. You know Abby is my best friend, right? We've been together for some months. Lord, Troy, you and Abby are meant to be. Your mom and I always knew that it was gonna happen. I'm gonna break the news for her at Christmas. Nice move. Your mom will drown in happiness with that piece of good news. Actually, I'm thinking of asking Abby to come over for Christmas dinner. What do you think, Dad? Brilliant, son. We'd love to meet her with a new role as your girlfriend.
Hey, honey, I'm home. Oh my gosh, Troy! Why didn't you say anything?
Hi, Mom. I wanted to surprise you.
Long time no see, Troy. Come give me a hug.
Hey, little Sally, what's up, my girl?
So far, so good, as usual. Son, we're doing all good, but we just missed you so much.
Oh, let me take you 2 cups so we can all cherish this moment. Awesome! Cheers to the Smiths!
Surprise! Wow, guys, you totally got me. I had no idea. Of course you didn't. That's why we called this surprise welcome back party for Mike. Aw, you guys have melted my heart.
Buddy, don't be cheesy like that.
Don't tease him anymore, Tom. Hey, Mike, how do you do?
Yeah, long time no see, Mike.
You need to tell us everything about your business trip. Not so fast, guys. Let's bottom up for our friend Mike first.
Hooray! Come on, Mike, how's New Jersey?
Oh, the weather there's so mild. People are so kind. I've worked with one of the most friendly people there. Cool. How's that, Mike? The first week settling down in New Jersey, I got food poisoning because of the street food. Oh, poor you. And my apartment was refurbished with a new air system at that time, so I couldn't cook. That was when my deskmate Dylan suggested that I should stay at his house instead. He's such an angel. My neighbors there were so helpful too. New Jersey's people deserve every medal for their hospitality and kindness.
I'm so happy that you had a great time there, Mike.
Agreed.
How about your project there? We heard that project has brought a great deal of profits for our company so far.
Yeah, I learned a lot from it. That's why our boss has decided to give you a promotion, Mike. Wow, what another surprise for me. Thank you so much, everyone.
Congrats on your new position, Mike.
Welcome back.